Mahira Khan does a wonderful video and Hrithik Roshan likes it. How do you respond to it?
I don't know how to put it in words, but it's just beautiful. I absolutely love it.
When you heard the remix version from Yash Raj,
The pinnacle of my happiness. The character Pooh, I think not just me, but the entire world can relate. Tell me how it was. The Ranveer Singh, like, he is such a legend. He is one of Pakistan's biggest crushes.
Atif Aslam ya Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, the better singer?
Oh, that is... ये मैं हूँ, ये फरीदून है और आप लोग देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा।
ये हम हैं और हमारे साथ में दाना नीर हैं और यहाँ पर इंटरव्यू हो रहा है। बहुत बहुत वेलकम आपका बॉलीवुड हंगामा पे। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर टाइम।
थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी।
या इट्स एन ऑनर।
ये हमारी कार है और ये हमें और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है।
I've been watching your interviews and it seems like a dream for you as well.
Definitely.
कुछ
Nothing
पिछले कुछ हफ्ते कैसे रहे आपके?
I don't think there's one word to describe that's happening. बहुत it's been madness, but it's been such a good madness. It's बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है, इतनी appreciation, इतना ज़्यादा प्यार, तो थोड़ा सा crazy है, but it's a good crazy.
मैंने आपके इंटरव्यूज में देखा कि आपने कहा कि आपकी नियत ये बनाने के पीछे आपकी ये थी कि that आप कुछ हैप्पीनेस आप स्प्रेड करना चाहती थी and you succeeded in a huge way. The number of people who have been loving this meme is I think historic. Maybe it is never heard of. You're a youngster. Why do you think it is important to spread happiness and cheerfulness?
See, considering the recent developments globally, especially because of COVID, everyone has just been under so much incredible stress. There's been such overwhelming sadness hai puri duniya mein. So I think it was just so important to have a little some freshness in the air, a little thandi hawa ka jhonka to lighten the earth, something that would lift everyone, something that would spread happiness and smiles in this crucial time that's been going on for quite some time now. So I think it was the right perfect time.
I think you'll be going in university. You're very clear that you want to pursue your higher education. You want to, I think, appear for CSS. That's what is your ambition. Why is it important for you to get higher education, and why is it important for anyone, especially girls, to get good education?
I think to really understand what you want in life and to be clear and to have the knowledge to make your own decisions. I think education is a very, very vital part. और सब बच्चियों को especially तालीम ज़रूर हासिल करनी चाहिए. I think उनको एक जिंदगी समझने के लिए तालीम हासिल करना एक बहुत अहम पहलू है. तो आई थिंक फॉर मी स्पेशली बहुत बड़ी डेवलपमेंट्स हुई हैं मेरी ज़िंदगी में इन द लास्ट मंथ. लेकिन मेरा जो शुरू से जो गोल्स थे, जो मेरे मेन गोल्स हैं ज़िंदगी में, जो मैंने हायर एजुकेशन हासिल करनी है, दे हैवंट चेंज्ड. एंड आई थिंक फॉर एवरीवन लुकिंग एट दिस वीडियो, वाचिंग दिस वीडियो, जो स्पेशली जो बच्चियां मुझे देख रही हैं, आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड दैट व्हाटएवर दैट यू आर डूइंग इन लाइफ प्रोफेशनली, जो भी है, इट्स ग्रेट. आई एम परसुइंग ब्लॉगिंग एज वेल. यू शुड डू दैट, बट ऑलवेज फोकस ऑन योर एजुकेशन एज वेल.
क्या आपको इस तरीके के ऑफर्स आ रहे हैं कि अब नेक्स्ट आप कब जाने वाली हैं? हम वहाँ पर कबाब रोटी की दुकान लगाने वाले हैं, ढाबा लगाने वाले हैं. इस तरीके के ऑफर्स हैं आपको? बिकॉज कबाब रोटी भी बहुत फेमस हुई है, बिकॉज यू स्टॉप्ड ओवर फॉर हैविंग some eatables and kebab roti was in the menu. So are those things happening as well? You're doing a lot of endorsements right now, but I'm saying in lighter way. I think kebab roti
I would love to endorse kebab roti because like हमारी family का our favorite food is chapli kebab, which is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa की national dish, considered a national dish. Chapli kebab, it's a favorite for our family, so I would love to endorse a brand like that.
बहुत से वीडियोस बने हैं आपके, बहुत से मीम्स बने हैं. I think it's totally unprecedented. We'll come to the celebrity ones as well. It's hugely popular in India. क्या होता है बहुत बार जब एशियन साउथ एशियंस जब बाहर के मुल्कों में जाते हैं, तो बहुत बार हमने देखा है कि वो एक एक्सेंट पिकअप कर लेते हैं. and they start speaking in accent. And ये जो आपका वीडियो है, ये I think is something that is being enjoyed overseas as well. People are really enjoying that as well. What do you want to say to those people that about the entire accent part of it, that it can be cool? You shouldn't be worried about the fact that people may have certain opinions on your accent, but it's cool to have an accent.
I mean, see, if you enjoy having an accent, if that is something that you enjoy doing, why not? Right? Like if I enjoy talking a certain way, then I think I should do it. What's wrong in saying party instead of party, right? So if I like doing it, I will.
मैं एक वीडियो में देख रहा था, उसमें एक साहब हैं, he like a young boy, and he said कि that ये हम हैं, ये हमारी पुप्पो हैं, और हम यहाँ पर बर्गर खा रहे हैं. तो बर्गर. So people are making it really so entertaining. There's this entire accent element that people are making it so entertaining, and it's becoming so mainstream as well. How do you feel when you see all these videos? Some of them they are so funny.
See, rather than the fun element, I feel like they're so endearing, because ये जो 3 sentences है ना, they can sum up any situation in life, may it be good or bad. मैंने इतने लोगों को देखा है. There was this one video that a group of boys made, और उसमें ये लिखा हुआ था कि ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरे friends हैं, और ये बेरोजगारी हो रही है. Although it is something that might be sad for them, but they've summed it up in such a fun way to express their thought, to express their emotion. So I think everyone in their own capacity has been putting their twist into the trend and putting forward their videos, which is so endearing, और कुछ इतनी funny है. Some are so nice. कुछ छोटे बच्चे बना रहे हैं, literally 2-3 years old, they're making that video, and it's just so endearing and entertaining to watch. मैं तो पूरा दिन I'm just watching recreations. I enjoy it very very much.
मैं आज एक देख रहा था, एक साहिबा थी और वो कह रही थी कि ये मैं हूँ और ये मेरी बेटी है, न्यू बॉर्न बेबी. ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरी बेटी है, और हमारी रातों की नींदें हराम हो रही है. Which is so funny.
Yeah, so see how relatable it is for everyone in their own individual capacity.
Okay, now what have been the last few weeks for you? You have been getting a lot of endorsements. You've been, I think, all over the place. Everyone wants to talk to you. You've been doing so many interviews as well. What is it that is going through in your mind?
Before I proceed with the answer, I would really like to point out one thing, is that if it weren't for my family, अगर मेरे अम्मा अब्बा, मेरी बहन especially, मेरे मामूस, मेरी आनीस, my khalas, if it weren't for them, I would not have been here talking to you in a sane mindset. इतनी मैडनेस आपके सामने, सबके सामने ही है जो पिछले 1 महीने में सब कुछ हुआ है. अगर ये मेरी फैमिली की मेरी फैमिली मुझे इतना सपोर्ट ना करती, तो आई डोंट थिंक आई वुड हैव बीन हियर. they've kept me sane, they've kept me together. मेरी बहन, मैं जहाँ गई हूँ, she's come with me, she's traveled with me, she's taken care of all of my deals, any endorsements. मैं उससे literally पूछती हूँ, अच्छा Nafail, her name is Nafail, but I call her.
I know, I've been interacting with her. Yeah.
तो मैं उससे पूछती हूँ, अच्छा Donna, what does my schedule look like for today? And then she tells me, अच्छा ये है. So do you see how it's such a teamwork that we've been doing? So I credit my family for the constant support, and of course the love that I've been getting from my country, from India, from all around the globe. It keeps you going.
When you heard the remix version from Yash Raj, what was your response like? And have you by any chance spoken to him?
Yes, we've spoken twice or thrice in Instagram DMs. He's a third gentleman. It was really nice talking to him. The remix was, I think, the pinnacle of my happiness, because it was just so amazing. Like, वो मैंने सुना, and मेरा reaction, I was with my sister at that time, और मुझे notification आया, Yash Raj mentioned you in their comment or something of that sort, and I was like, wait, what's happening? I opened it, और उसने remix बनाया हुआ था, and it was amazing. Like, mashallah, he has great music composing skills. तो उसने इतना मजे का twist दिया इसको, and he was so creative about it. और उसके बाद इतने सारी उसी music पे, तो I have to credit him for his creativity. It was mind blowing.
Singing का भी आपको काफी शौक है, आप गाती भी बहुत अच्छा है. What are your other interests?
So I paint. I love painting. मेरे कमरे में भी मैं काफ़ी पेंटिंग लगी है. मेरे जो नाना का घर है, मेरे अपने घर में बाहर आके पीछे लाउंज में मम्मा मेरी पेंटिंग्स लगा लेती हैं. I love painting. Swimming का मुझे बहुत शौक है. I've been swimming since I was 6 years old. I also love horseback riding. वो भी I've been doing since I was really young. ऊपर से I love reading. बचपन से me and my sister हमारे घर में एक library बनी हुई है in another room, and we have this huge collection of books from Enid Blyton to Dan Brown to like all of our favorite authors. We've been reading since we were really young as well. So yeah, these are some things, and I also love spending time with my family.
Now, apparently you are a huge Shah Rukh Khan fan.
Yes. I'm gonna start jumping. I am a huge Shah Rukh Khan fan, and Kareena Kapoor. I just have to say it. Both Shah Rukh Khan and Kareena Kapoor. I'm sorry. I've just started talking a lot because you mentioned his name. But जब से मैं छोटी थी, there used to be cassettes, right? So Shah Rukh Khan की cassettes होती थी, and they used to have his picture on them. And I used to just keep staring at that cassette with his picture on it, and I used to keep staring at it for hours on end, and I wouldn't get tired. And Kal Ho Na Ho and all of these OG movies have been my most favorite.
If Shah Rukh Khan sends you a message, how would you respond?
Just thinking about it, I think I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm not even kidding, Fardun. I'll go crazy if he does. I'm that big of a fan.
Okay, and Kareena has become a mother the second time around. Would you like to wish her?
Two beautiful children, mashallah.
Okay, and which are the movies of Kareena that you like?
Pooh, the character Pooh, I think not just me, but the entire world can relate. That I think I personally relate to Pooh at times. So like I'll just be sitting with my friends, and they'll say something like, okay, so we're gonna go watch a movie, or we're gonna go, and I'll be like, tell me how it was. So वो आपके वो अंदर बस गया है वो character.
जो पारी हो रही है, जो आपका जो पॉपुलर हुआ है, उसमें कुछ पू का भी एलिमेंट कह सकते हैं. Is there an element of poo in that as well?
Poo, I think हमारे अंदर बस गया है. तो in anything that you do, anything, it's the sass, that the poo that comes out.
Okay, what about acting? Would you want to act in, say, dramas and movies? Is that something that?
So that is, all of this has been so new and so much at such a short time. I have yet to explore that avenue because ये इतना सब कुछ नया है, इतना जल्दी सब कुछ हो रहा है. I haven't had time to think कि मैंने अब क्या करना है. But I think that is something that I would like to explore in the future if a good opportunity comes along and if my family allows.
So have you got any offers so far?
I have, yes, a few.
Now, coming to all these wonderful messages that have been coming from celebrities. It is so popular in India. I think almost anything and everything it is just incorporating this entire pari ho rahi hai element, and people are loving it over here. Not merely celebrities, but across the board in various fields of life. Even in a lot of these brands, they're endorsed, just taking it into cognizance as well. When you're watching all these things, how are you responding to it? Like Mahira Khan has done a wonderful video, and Hrithik Roshan likes it. How do you respond to it?
Has Hrithik Roshan done it too?
He has liked that video of Mahira Khan.
He has. Oh. See, it's just so overwhelming because these are the stars, these are the legends I have grown up looking at, right? बचपन से देखा है इनका काम, बचपन से admire किया है इनका काम. Not just me, my entire family, everyone that I've seen, they have loved these legends. These are names that I've looked up to all my life, and then having them recreate something that I did, something so nonchalantly, something that was such a random moment for me, and then having them do it, it's just, I don't know how to put it in words, but it's just beautiful. I absolutely love it.
Okay, and does it now get a bit irritating at times when randomly आप कहीं पर airport पे हैं या फिर कहीं पर भी हैं, and people want you to say those lines? Do you find it at times irritating with the enormity of it?
जिस प्यार से वो लोग मेरी तरफ आते हैं ना, जिस प्यार से वो लोग फोन एक्सटेंड करते हैं, रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, I don't think, अगर मैं पूरी जिंदगी भी ये करना पड़े, I don't think I'll get tired of it.
That's amazing. We have selected a few of these recreations, say from Indian celebrities, and we would like to play it for you, and we would want to have your thoughts on it live. Okay, so Sanjeev, let's have the videos first, please.
ये हमारी कार है और ये हमें और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है. पार्टी हो रही है. पार्टी
All right, so this is Juhi Chawla.
Yes, I actually shared this on my story just yesterday. It was so beautiful to see her, like, hopping on the trend. Such a legend.
What is your favorite film of Juhi Chawla all time?
Wait. I'm sorry, I'm really, really, really bad with names. I'm gonna have to think about it. I've seen so many of her movies. I love what she does. Can I get back to you on that?
No problem. Like Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, maybe Ishq, she was there in Ishq.
Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak. How can I forget that movie? Yes, I loved it. That was one of my most favorite movies.
All right, okay, Sanjeev, let's have the second one, please.
ये हम है, ये हमारे लोग हैं, शूट पे ये पार्टी हो रही है।
That's Randeep Hooda.
Legends on legends on legends. It's overwhelming to see, and such a wholesome video with the kids and everything, and everyone's joining in on the trend. It's beautiful. Yeah. It's beautiful.
Next one, please.
ये मेरा स्टार्स है, ये हम है, यहाँ पार्टी हो रही है।
Sir Shahid Kapoor. Oh God.
Shahid Kapoor, you exclaimed on that video.
Oh, what a legend. Oh, I was hyperventilating when I saw that video. Oh, Inki Chup Chup Ke was one of my most favorite movies. I have seen it at least 10 times and I still can watch it 20 more times. I don't think I'll ever get tired of that movie.
It also has Kareena.
Yes, both the legends that I absolutely love. So yeah, there you go.
Okay, Sanjeev, let's have the next one, please.
Mahira Khan. I teared up a little while watching this video because I've met her in real life. I recently met her.
Right.
I just want to add a little bit.
Please do.
I recently met her, and you see people on screen, and you go like, wow, right? And then you meet the same people off screen, and you do a bigger wow. Like, you're beautiful on screen, but how can you be this beautiful inside and out in real life? So she is just a beautiful person inside and out, and I had to tell you.
No, I've interviewed Myra in Dubai, and I totally agree with you, because I feel that maybe rarely it happens that a person who looks so beautiful on screen, but when you meet her, she's even more beautiful.
Even more beautiful.
Yeah,
no doubt.
She is.
No doubt.
Sanjeev, next one, please.
ये फ्लैश है, ये हम है,
और ये हमारी पार्टी चल रही है। हैप्पी बर्थडे फ्लैश।
That's Ritesh Deshmukh and
Janelia as well.
Janelia.
Both of them made a video, and Janelia's video was so sweet. She told her about her journey. I think she dislocated her elbow or something. I hope she gets well soon. And both of these, the couple is so beautiful. And I've also grown up admiring them, recreating this trend in such a beautiful way. And Flash is so cute.
Okay, next one, Sanjeev.
ये हमारा गाजर का हलवा है, ये हम है, और यहाँ पे पार्टी हो रही है।
Ranveer Singh.
Oh, I actually have a live reaction to it. Hania made it, and I was like, okay, this is probably fake, right? Like, is this real? Like, I was in disbelief when I saw the video, and then it was real, and I was blown out of my mind. I was like, the Ranveer Singh, like, he is such a legend, and everyone loves him here, especially I. So it was unreal to see his video.
So would you like to give any message to Ranveer?
Oh God, I love how you stand out. I love how daring you are, especially with your outfits. I love that you stand out in everything that you do. You're different, you're daring, and please never change, never swim with the tide. Always swim against the tide and just do you, because you inspire so many people to be themselves, their authentic original selves, and that's the most beautiful thing about you.
All right, I think he would love this message. All right, Sanjeev, next one, please.
ये हम हैं, ये हमारे हैं, और ये पार्टी हो रही है। Where's the party tonight?
Dhanani, this was Zeenat Amanji. She completed her 50th year in movies, and they celebrated it with the Pari Ho Rahi Hai.
Wow. Unbelievable. What a legend. Ma'am Zeenat is such a legend. And having her recreating this trend on such a beautiful day for her, that holds so much sentimental value for her. And her using my trend to express something like that, it's just beautiful.
We have pictures now. So when you saw Deepika's post, what was your response like?
Deepika Padukone, right? Like, she is another, see, I keep saying legend on legend on legend. These are all the names that I've grown up admiring and looking at. So looking at her, wo jo picture thi unki, it was a collage. Unke ghode ke saath, it was when she was a child. Unreal. It was amazing, mind-blowing.
Siddharth Malhotra, you also, I think, shared Siddharth Malhotra's.
He's one of Pakistan's biggest crushes, and him doing it was crazy. Oh, I'm short of words. See, like, there are so many emotions that I'm feeling, but I'm short of words on how to express how I'm feeling, because it's just so unreal. It's amazing. It's wholesome.
All right, you express yourself very well, Dhanani, so congratulations for that. A Bollywood celebrity who yet hasn't made a video on Pari Ho Rahi Hai, but you'd like him or her to make it soon?
I think you already know the answer. Shah Rukh Khan and Kareena Kapoor.
All right. Whose Pari Ho Rahi Hai video was most surprising for you?
Ranveer Singh.
Which is your most favorite meme on Pari Ho Rahi Hai?
Meme? I don't think I can say one, because it's all in front of you. They're all so creative. They're all so creative. I don't think I can say one. All of them, they're so beautiful. All of them.
All right. What do you think was the reason behind your video getting viral?
I think how people could connect to it on an individual capacity, how everyone could relate to the trend, how they could, add their own twist, their own story to the trend and make it relatable for themselves. I think anything that is relatable, original, and authentic, I think it touches hearts.
Okay, apart from getting popularity, what is the best thing that has happened to you since Pari video went viral?
I think the best thing that has happened to me is that there has been such a beautiful dialogue of peace and love across the border. I think that beyond anything means the most to me, that there's so much love being shared across the border. That means the world. 3
Bollywood films that you can watch over and over again.
Kal Ho Na Ho, Chup Chup Ke, and Golmaal.
Okay, your first celebrity crush?
Shah Rukh Khan.
A Bollywood classic film you would like to act in a remake of, and with whom?
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum with Shah Rukh Khan.
Being called Dananeer or being called Pari Girl, what do you like more right now?
Dananeer.
Juhi Chawla's Pari video ya Mahira's Pari video? Your favorite?
I'd have to say Mahira.
Katrina Kaif ya Kareena Kapoor, the better actress?
Kareena Kapoor.
Romance ya action, your favorite genre?
Romance.
Chole Bhature ya Aloo Parathe, what do you like more?
Aloo ka paratha.
Atif Aslam ya Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, the better singer?
Oh, that is a hard one. Yikes. Can I say both? Because they're both so amazing in their own individual capacities. They're such great singers. I don't think I can choose one between them.
Ali Zafar the actor or Ali Zafar the singer?
Ali Zafar the singer.
And even he made a video on that.
And he was playing cricket.
Okay, and Dhanani, thank you very much for your time. And
thank you for having me.
Can you please sing a few lines before we call it a day? Any song that you would want to share with us?
Of course. There's this beautiful classical song that I love, absolutely love. My grandfather made me hear it. So it goes like, Ye hawa, ye raat, ye chandni, तेरे एक अदा पे निसार है, मुझे क्यों ना हो तेरी आरज़ू, तेरी जुस्तजू में बहार है, ये हवा, ये रात, ये चांदनी.
Thank you very much. That was amazing. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया दाननी. Lovely talking to you. And I think आप अपनी उम्र से कहीं ज़्यादा माशाल्लाह से mature हैं. And I can see a very very bright future for you, inshallah. And all the best wishes. And have a great life ahead. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.